Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove TUBEBUDDY extension from Chrome in your YouTube page. But before we go any further, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification. And don't forget to comment below what you think of my video. On my next video, I'll do a shout out to the best comment posted on this video. You will need to be logged into your Google account. When you open your YouTube account, you will see the TUBEBUDDY extension button next to your YouTube search bar. You press on the Google ellipsis button on the top right-hand corner of the page. You scroll down to Settings button and press it once. On the bottom left of the next page, you will see the extension button, and press it once. The following page will show the TUBEBUDDY tab. It gives you an option to turn it off or remove it. Once you press the Remove button, another tab pops up asking if you want to remove it. Click Remove. Then TUBEBUDDY disappears. We then refresh our YouTube page to see if it's removed. There you go, and that's how it's done. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification. And don't forget to comment below what you think of my video. On my next video, I'll do a shout out to the best comment posted on this video.